Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if your screen appears to be flickering in the Google Chrome web browser. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best match should go back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go select yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. It will take a moment here. So you can see it did not find any problems, which is good. In your case, it might actually find something, so definitely worth giving a try for that. And if it does find anything, go ahead and let it resolve it. If you're still having a problem, you can try turning off hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. So we're just going to go ahead and open up the Chrome browser if it's not already open. And you're going to select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen, the three vertical dots. Go ahead and left click on that and then select settings. You want to scroll down a little bit and then select the advanced option, so go expand that. Underneath system, where it says use hardware acceleration when available, toggle this to the off position by clicking inside this oval one time. You will need to relaunch the Chrome browser for that to take effect. And once the browser relaunches, that should be about it. Hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.